Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I'm guilty as charged, but honestly, last year kind of just flew by. Even this year, just first half kind of flew by. I have a lot of updates that I want to share with you all, but I'm back to weekly vlogs, I guess. So you can expect a new vlog every other week, and I'm really excited to be back. I'm really excited to be back to vlogging. So today is supposed to be an interesting day, so I thought कि आज से better क्या होगा to start vlogging again. So I am going to a cafe to work from a cafe because it's been a while and I just kind of miss it. I want कि बिना किसी distraction के I just get done with my to-do list. So let's change first because I'm looking homeless right now. Adam Sandler who? Got so much work done. I'm happy. Hi guys, it's Sunday and we are going to the mall to shop a little bit, I guess, because we wanted to buy some stuff. Let's see how that goes.
क्या चीज़ क्या है ये? It's like an egg. Printed egg.
बॉक्सिंग करो ज्वेलरी बॉक्स की.
ज्वेलरी से भरा हो तो अनबॉक्सिंग करे भी सही. इसका क्या अनबॉक्सिंग करें?
You always look nice. We came back home, did a lot of shopping, and now having a garam cup of coffee. I don't know why in this heat, लेकिन
AC चल रहा है ना?
हाँ राइट AC में बैठ के गर्म कॉफ़ी पी रहे hypocrisy. By the way, how's my coffee?
Awesome.
Do I make the world's best coffee?
Yes,
Apart
at
from
home.
cafes, obviously.
Yeah, at home.
Feels like monsoon. It's Monday morning and I'm very excited for this new week because बहुत कुछ planned है, बहुत कुछ exciting होने वाला है and I'm just looking forward to it all. But before that I thought कि हम एक छोटा सा haul कर लेते हैं of the things that I bought yesterday and actually दीदी bought most things. I bought a couple of things. मैं quickly दिखाती हूँ क्या क्या लेके आए हैं. Okay. Done. So usually हमारे go to stores होते हैं West Side, H&M, Uniqlo, Zara and कल मुझे वेस्ट साइड में luckily I found this very pretty the dress of my dreams. It's all white and if you know me you know that I love white color. I love everything white and this is such a pretty summer dress. I mean, I can't wait to wear this on a nice summer day and maybe get some pictures in it because it would look so cute. I absolutely loved it on me and इसलिए ये मैंने ले ली. सिर्फ 1300 की थी which is just amazing. Then Didi got another dress from West Side. It's really pretty blue color and I just love the whole silhouette on her. Then I got this top from H&M just to wear casually, like it's a very modest simple sort of a top which can be styled in many ways, so I just thought of picking it up. उसके बाद हम लोग Uniqlo गए and वहाँ पे ना दीदी को दो shorts बड़े पसंद आए. One is these denim shorts which are very comfortable by the way and looks great, quality is great, everything amazing, and these linen shorts as well. I mean they were so nice that I wanted to pick one for myself too, but I was just contemplating. So I think I'm gonna get one of these for myself too because it's so good, so comfy. And then I got this fanny pack from Uniqlo because I've seen so many people use it and it seemed like a good travel bag. So this bag has a lot of storage, which I absolutely loved about this one, and it's very lightweight. It's very, you know, water resistant and all weather proof, I guess. So yeah, the color goes with everything, and I absolutely love this one, so had to pick it. And yeah, that's about it. Rest of the things I can't really show you because it's a gift and it doesn't make sense. And on that note, I'm gonna end this video because I really don't want this to be a very long video. I'm gonna film my current week as well for you to watch. So till then, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.